What if cleaning your house took zero effort? Meet the AI vacuum cleaner, smart cleaning on autopilot. Powered by intelligent sensors and AI mapping, this vacuum detects obstacles, avoids collisions, and cleans every corner with precision. It automatically adjusts suction for carpets and hard floors, delivering deep cleaning without supervision. Control it through your smartphone, schedule cleanings, and let it work while you relax. Quiet, efficient, and incredibly reliable, it's designed for modern homes and busy lifestyles. No stress, no mess, just consistently clean floors every day. This isn't just a vacuum, it's your personal cleaning assistant. Smart tech, real comfort. No electricity? No problem. This powers everything. Meet the solar power bank, your reliable power backup anywhere, anytime. Powered by sunlight, this smart gadget charges itself when you're outdoors, making it perfect for travel, camping, emergencies, and daily use. With high-capacity storage and multiple output ports, it keeps your phone, earbuds, and essential devices running when you need them most. Its rugged, portable design is built for real-world conditions, while smart protection ensures safe and stable charging. Whether you're off-grid or just on the move, this power bank gives you freedom from sockets. Clean energy, smart power, total peace of mind. Breathing this air? Let me show you something better. Meet the Mini Air Purifier. Clean air wherever you go. This compact smart gadget removes dust, smoke, and harmful particles, giving you fresher, healthier air in seconds. Perfect for desks, cars, bedrooms, and travel. It works quietly while you focus on what matters. With advanced filtration and low-noise performance, it improves air quality without disturbing your day. Easy to use, energy efficient, and portable, this purifier is small in size but big on results. If you care about your health and comfort, this is a smart upgrade you'll notice with every breath. Cold food at work? Not anymore. Watch this. Meet the electric lunchbox, the smart way to enjoy hot, fresh meals anywhere. Just plug it in, wait a few minutes, and your food heats evenly without a microwave. Perfect for office workers, drivers, travelers, and students, this lunchbox keeps your meals warm, healthy, and homemade. Its compact, spill-proof design makes it easy to carry, while the safe heating system ensures worry-free use every day. No queues, no cold lunches, just real food ready when you are. Simple, reliable, and super convenient. This gadget changes how you eat on the go. Tired of scrubbing for hours? Let this do the work. Meet the electric cleaning brush, the smart way to clean faster and easier. Powered by a high-torque motor, this brush removes tough stains, grease, and dirt with minimal effort. From bathrooms and kitchens to tiles and sinks, it delivers deep cleaning in seconds. Multiple brush heads handle different surfaces, while the ergonomic, water-resistant design keeps cleaning comfortable and safe. No more sore hands or wasted time, just powerful results every time. Efficient, durable, and easy to use, this gadget turns hard cleaning into a simple task. Clean smarter, not harder. Think you're drinking enough water? This bottle proves you're not. Meet the Smart Water Bottle, your personal hydration coach for everyday life. This intelligent bottle tracks how much water you drink and reminds you when it's time to hydrate, so you never fall behind. With smart sensors and LED alerts, it takes the guesswork out of staying healthy. Simply sip, sink, and stay on track. Designed for busy lifestyles, fitness lovers, and office routines, this bottle keeps hydration simple and automatic. Sleek, durable, and easy to use, this isn't just a bottle, it's a smarter way to take care of your body. Drink smart, live better. Still using keys? This lock knows better. Meet the Smart Door Lock, next-level security for modern living. Unlock your door using your fingerprint, PIN, smartphone, or keycard. No physical keys needed. With advanced encryption and real-time access control, you always know who enters and when.
Perfect for homes, offices, and rental properties, this smart lock combines convenience with serious protection. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any door, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. Easy to install, simple to manage, and built for peace of mind, this smart lock doesn't just protect your door, it protects your lifestyle.
Low tire pressure? Fix it in seconds, anywhere. Meet the portable tire inflator, your on-the-go solution for perfect tire pressure. Compact yet powerful, this smart gadget inflates car, bike, and motorcycle tires quickly and accurately. With a digital display and auto shutoff, it stops at the exact pressure you set. No guesswork, no overinflation. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it's ideal for road trips, daily driving, and emergencies. Easy to store, simple to use, and built for reliability, this inflator gives you confidence every time you hit the road. Small device, big safety upgrade.